वक्त की ये सबसे बड़ी खबर। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने घोषणा कर दी है, अब संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन है। आज रात 12 बजे से देश में 3 हफ्तों के लिए यानी 14 अप्रैल तक के लिए संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन, पूरा देश बंद रहेगा। सबसे ये रिक्वेस्ट की है और कहा है कि इस कानून को माने, इस आदेश को माने कि अगले 3 हफ्तों तक घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना है। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ही एक सबसे बड़ा ताकतवर हथियार है जिस वजह से कोरोना जैसे वायरस को हराया जा सकता है।
April 2020. When the lockdown was announced, like many others, I too started storing essentials, not knowing that soon I will have to leave the city and go home. I was lucky. I reached home just in time, before everything was completely shut down. But things were left in a hurry, the way they were, in a mess. I had packed only a few things, important ones, thinking I'll return in a week. But I was wrong. June 2020. Months have passed and now it is time to leave. Not because there was any intention to or any problem with it, but because there is no point in staying when you know the rent is only going to burn a hole in your pocket. All this time that I had in hand back at home made me think and question what makes a house home, and why do I miss a place that was on rent rather than owned by me, which is not truly mine. What made it so special? And how would my house be without me? It had rained a few times when I was not there. Did the water seep in through the windows? There was an earthquake too. Did it leave behind its mark? I hope my plant is still alive. These were some questions that were going on in my mind. But most of all was that I missed my place. A place that was mine. According to psychology, your space is an extension of the self. And maybe that's why we get so attached to it. There's this part in a book that I read titled The Architecture of Happiness. A love of home is in turn an acknowledgement of the degree to which our identity is not self-determined. We need a home in the psychological sense as much as we need one in the physical to compensate for our vulnerability. We need a refuge to shore up our states of mind because so much of the world is opposed to our allegiance. We need our rooms to align us to desirable versions of ourselves and to keep alive the important evanescent sides of us. Now that I am leaving, there is a feeling of separation, a feeling of sadness. Today is the last time I am in this space, the space that I used to call mine. I would miss everything about it, from the way it felt, the way it smelled, or the way the light from the window used to wake me up every day. I will miss that. I will miss the solitude, or the coziness and the calm that I used to get. I will miss the part of myself that I'm going to leave behind. I only wish I could spend more time here. maybe alone with a book and a cup of coffee. But it's time to go now.